Good morning everybody. I thought I would sit and do my minimal summer makeup with you today, and I'm in a little bit of a rush. I wasn't going to be in a rush, but Adam's just asked me if we want to go and get some food whilst Indy is in the groomers today, so that'll be some nice things to share with you. I've got 45 minutes to get ready, and I'm not going to get my hair done in time. This is the by Terry Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum. I use this in Sunny Flash number 4. Now, if I've tanned, this is great for like bringing my face up to normal colour, because it just gives just that little bit of colour. Like, you expect this to, once you've rubbed it in, like there's hardly anything there, but you expect your face to be really dark because of the colour of the bottle. But it just gives this nice glow. Yeah, because obviously when I'm fake tanning and washing my face so often, the rest of me isn't this dark. But at the moment I am a bit tanned, even though it doesn't look like it right now in the camera. So what I'm going to do is just like bronze up my chest a little bit to match. So yeah, so that is lovely for a little bit of a glow. What have I done today? Oh no! Oh, how did I do that? Oh, I'll have to sort that out later. I've just wasted some product there. Okay, so next, if I am a little bit darker from tanning, I will use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. My colour is in Light Canal 2.75, but at the moment with the natural tan where I'm a little bit lighter, this is so confusing. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Retoucher. This is in 2 Fair, and I like this because it's got, oh my god, I thought that was run out then. This is like one of the pans that has got a little bit more of light reflection in it. So I just put that into my eyes, and then whatever's left sort of like in the eye. Bear with me guys, haven't vlogged for a while. Also picked up this horrible sunspot here. Not really happy about that. So I just tend to put that on the bits that need a little bit more coverage and are a little bit dark and need like a little bit of lightening up. So like where you would normally put your, what is it called? Oh god guys, you're really gonna have to bear with me. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. And this is all, well, I didn't actually put this much concealer on yesterday for the gym. I just did a little bit under the eyes. And yesterday the only thing that I did was brows after this. So it's nice to have a little bit of colour on my face really, and not feel bad about it when I go to the gym. Okay, I'm happy with my face there. Brows is the most important thing here. 2 products for brows. This one I am so excited to tell you about. So first of all, 24-hour Brows Sattar from Benefit. This is the clear one. So just brush these into place. Now this I used to do last of all when I was doing my brows, and I am aware how horrendous my brows are. This is what happened, if you haven't followed me for a long time, this is what happened when I was in school and I plucked them into this horrible shape that they are now. Really thin. I was a 90s child growing up, born in the 80s, but went to school in the 90s, which was very exciting. With all of the gold, guys, all of the necklaces and puffers in your trainers, if you remember those. You are. You're like me guys, how exciting life was. Bandanas in the hair. Did you used to wear bandanas in the hair? And I used to have 2 tiny strips as like bits, we used to call them. They were terrible. Okay, so basically yesterday all I did then was this, what I've got on now, with a little bit less concealer, and then filled in my brows. But today I'm going to go that tiny little bit further, and I am going to put some mascara on. When I put mascara on, I have to set my under eyes because, where is it? The eye cream that I've currently got on is, what is it? It's like I don't know if it's more of an oil base or something, but it definitely makes my mascara come off. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Laura Mercier Secret. It's not Secret Brightening, I always do this. The Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just under there. Just a little bit. Because I want it to still be quite natural. And any excess I'm just going to take where we placed a little bit more there. Where we placed the concealer, so that I'm not matte under my eyes and then crazy shiny everywhere else. Okay, done. Okay, we are onto brows. I love this thing. This is the MAC, it's coming off, Spiked is the colour, Shape and Shade Brow something. And this is amazing because it's so skinny that you get to do tiny little hair strokes, and it's gotta be good if it's taken me away from the ABH brow that I used to use for blinking years. Now with this you can just do the little hair strokes, or you can use it to fill in. So today, because I'm doing a quick one, I'm going to use it to fill in. Just love the shade of this. Then I come to the front of my brow and do a few little strokes. I don't know if you can see in this light the tiny little strokes that it's made, but this is great. Okay, and when I've done that, then the other end is great. It's like a little sponge on the end with powder, so you can just go over that area. You don't have to do this, but I like darkening it up to match the rest of my brow, and then just take some strokes through the hairs. There's my brow. Just going to do the other side. Okay, so I'm back to using the Benefit They're Real mascara. This is actually just one that came with the Professional that I bought, and I used to use this mascara a long time ago, but went on to Lancome, as you know, which was one of my faves for a long time, but ran out and just decided to use this, and to be honest, I forgot how good it was. Used a few mascaras, still got the Bang one, but I like to do 2 little coats of this one, and then I'll show you my little trick in a moment as well, which is great for summer. So that would be my sort of summer makeup if I was going extra with the eyelashes. But today we're going to go out for lunch, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take the Makeup Forever. Somebody asked me what this was on Instagram the other day because they liked like the glow that was on my face. Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. So I'm going to use a little bit of this. I say a little bit, I'm going to use a lot. Where I would normally apply my bronzer, but I'm going up onto the cheek as well to make it extra glowy. And it's quite subtle actually. I don't know if that's coming across on camera as subtle or not, but it is. I'm going to take it across the bridge of the nose. I don't know why I scrunch when I do this, but I do. And across the jawline. And this is where I'm just going to take, just to match up, just in here, first of all. Underneath. And then just across the chest, really. I don't know why I'm smiling as if I'm doing my face. Oh, I've just knocked off my concealer. Let me do that again. I think I'm just gonna live with it today because I can't be bothered, I'm in a rush. Okay, and finally, this is one of my new faves as well. So this came in a little deal that I had recently, which was like I can't remember how much it was, £56 or something, and you got like a load of stuff from Tarte. So this is the Gleam Team highlighter, and it's got a liquid on the one end and a cream on the other. And I'm going to take the cream today, and this is so pretty because it's quite a natural. I've just realised I forgot to put a bit of bronzer on my eyes. Back and do that now. I just love how quick this is to blend in. I'm actually going to go one further. Whew. Yeah, I just love how quick this little look is, to be honest with you. What did I do with this? Okay, so let me squeeze it. Not being careful about this at all. Okay, just going to do a little second coat of this, and I'll put a bit on my lower lashes as well. What's the time? Oh, how long have we been? We've been probably much longer than normal. I feel like I should spray a little bit of setting spray today as well because it's rather warm. I'm going a bit sweating. And I'm going to put a little bit of bronzer under there as well. Okay, so I'm not going to film this because I need to start getting myself ready. But finally, what I do then is I go back to my brow gel when this is dried and put it over the edges of my lashes, and it stops it going on to the rest of my face, my mascara. So it's quite clever, this stuff. But ooh, yeah, so that is my sort of everyday makeup, and I think I might put a little bit of Sexy Sienna on my lips today. There we go, summer makeup. So now we are on our way to take Indy to Hannah's to get a little groom, and then we're gonna go for some lunch. Super quick OOTD. We have Primark, Gucci, Primark, Louis. Where are you going, boy? You're going for a bath. Yes, you have no idea. There he is with his little Aladdin pants. You look so different. You look so different, don't you?
It smells like.
Needs to be cooler now. Yes. First outing for the belt today, and the Louis that wasn't the airport. But now we're home after having some lunchy. We are going to, well, I am going to edit some footage and then relax a little bit. Good evening. Can't remember what I last vlogged, but I very casually walked up to the corner shop like this, looking like, felt like Legally Blonde, having like a little dog on the lead. It was ridiculous. Should never walk a dog in anything other than trainers, that's what I feel like. Of course you can walk in whatever you want. Oops. I need to show you this guy. It's not focusing, but it looks really pretty. Also, what is that black dot? So, I am going to get changed into some PJs now, and we are watching Orange is the New Black at the moment before Adam goes to work, and it's taken us a little while to get into this Orange is the New Black. Don't know if it's just not a good a series, this one, or what. I can't undo the belt. How does the belt undo? Also have a food baby now since this morning. Here we go. So I am going to end the vlog here. In tomorrow's vlog, or tomorrow, the next time you see a vlog, what am I doing tomorrow night? I'm having lunch with a friend tomorrow, and then in the evening I am going to see one of my friends' new house. So that'll be quite nice. So thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the summer simple makeup, and I will see you in the next one.